Is actually producing illegal alcohol, and we've been able to recover a huge amount of ethanol. That is 2,545 liters of ethanol. And actually it's a well set up factory kinda. Although it's not up to the standard, we've been able to recover several bottles, several stickers, that is liquor stickers, different brands. We also have the KRA stickers, illegal excise duty stamps, which is a very serious case as well. And it is also a very serious crime because lives are involved. When you have an illegal distiller, then that means so many lives are at stake. You can imagine the quantity that will be produced from 2,545,000 liters of ethanol. That is way too much. And we have one suspect, that is Mr. Duo, and I will be facing charges according to the crime that he has committed. For him, it's not the first time. That is the information I'm getting from the locals here. It's not the first time. We had another successful case, that's what has been I've been told, though he was taken to court, and he is back again to the same illegal business. But I also want to send a message to each and every person that is watching us from whatever quarter within Kiambu County. We are very serious on crackdown on this illegal alcohol. We cannot allow this to continue.